Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix ChatGPT when it starts responding slowly, gets stuck on thinking or lags for no reason. So, first, start by checking your internet connection. ChatGPT relies heavily on fast upload and download speeds. So, you'll have to click on your taskbar, that is the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right, click on your Wi-Fi and make sure all the bars are full. If there's very low bar, ChatGPT will lag. So, make sure you have a strong internet connection. Also, you can navigate to your new tab and type in speed test, hit enter and click on start. After you do this will instantly measure your internet speed, and if it's good, then you'll have to move on to step 2. If it's not, make sure your internet connection gets better. You can call your provider and ask them for restoring your speed. So, after doing this step, you'll have to navigate to the next step, that is clearing your browser cache. So, click on three-dotted icon at the top right and click on settings. Now, here, click on clear browsing data. Now, here, make sure you choose cached images and files. You can remove cookies, download history and browsing data, choose all time and click cached images and file and click clear now. So, over time ChatGPT stores a lot of temporary data that can slow down the interface. So basically, clearing it by clicking on clear now here, after following those steps, you can restart the browser and reopen ChatGPT. After you do this, your problem will be instantly fixed. Now, you can check whether you have too many browser extensions running, ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy extensions. These often interfere with ChatGPT's loading speed. So you can open an incognito mode, click on three-dotted icon and click New in Private window or an incognito tab. Now, here you can simply type in ChatGPT, hit enter and log into your ChatGPT. Now, try using ChatGPT in incognito mode. If it's faster, then one of your extensions is the problem. Disable them one by one to find the slow one. You can simply click on three-dotted icon and click extensions. Now click manage extensions and here you can remove extensions that are creating problem by removing them one by one. Now, if you're using mobile, reopen the app and force stop it from the app settings. This refreshes the entire session. Also make sure your device storage isn't full because low storage can make apps sluggish. Now, if ChatGPT is still slow, try switching models between GPT-5 or 4.2. So, GPT-5 and 4.2 handles heavy reasoning, but they can be slower during peak hours. So, switching to GPT 4.1 or Mini for basic queries can speed things up immediately. So, you can click on your ChatGPT icon and choose another model from just right here. Finally, remember that sometimes ChatGPT is slow simply because the servers are overloaded. This happens during global traffic spikes. In that case, the only fix is using a different browser or switching to a different network or waiting a few minutes until the server stabilizes again. You can also refresh the page to start a new session. So, these are the best ways to fix ChatGPT lag and slow responses. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.